Hey everybody, gonna get down with some stock lock Sunday here. My original plan was to do this super old American 747. Really cool, nice lock. But after it took me 5 minutes or so and a lot of banging to even get a key blank to go in it, don't think I'm gonna be able to pick it. So I've got a bunch of tri-flow in there, and we're gonna just let it sit for as long as it's sitting there and I forget about it. And instead, you get this master lock number 3. And you will like it, damn it. Nah, I'm just kidding, you might not like it, but this is all we got here. Did want to participate, and wildly unprepared, so maybe that American will do next week. After a few days of some tri-flow and stuff, it hopefully will free it up. And we've got this master lock here. It's commercial series, whatever that means. And it's open, sweet. And nobody wanted to see the keys, there they are. And that's gonna do it for a awful disappointing stock lock Sunday. Hopefully later in the week here we'll get this last 5200 open, and maybe next week that 747. Anyway, that'll do it for now, guys, and we'll talk to everybody later.